Thank you. Here we are again with Guido, taking advantage of the fact that the river has risen. We've been walking for a few minutes. Let's see if we can settle in this area with these eucalyptus trees because the water is coming. Look at this, the river is impressive. Let's do one. A grilled fish, and show you how everything has grown on the peak. Once we get there, we'll share the place with you, and if anything comes up, we'll let you know. The location in the description. Alright, Guido. What bait did you bring for today's fishing? Today we brought chicken guts because we couldn't get salt guts. We brought a piece of liver, a little piece of heart that's pretty rotten here and there. Worms. Well, let's try to catch something small for bait, even just a tail, and keep at it. Yes, obviously we're going to change up the bait, the hooks. Obviously we're going to go for a variety, the catfish. Let's see if we catch some. We have a sabro there that someone gave to Guido, and well, we're going to prepare it. As you already know, we fished here about a year ago, and the place is like a dream. You can see that you can easily fish and camp here because the place is perfect. Now we're sharing with you, like I said. So how was the fishing day? Here we have tripe, and here a little bit of. And now with a short shank hook, then we have a rig with a long shank hook, and the sinker we have heart, and well, then we'll set up another line. Thank you. Alright, before we start doing the food to make the fish again, we invite you. For those who don't know, we have a WhatsApp group where we do fishing raffles with lots of items. Alright, now we're going to start doing it one by one individually. So if you're interested and want to join the group to participate, we'll leave the link in the description. So it doesn't matter what part of the country you're from because we ship nationwide. In this case, there are very few numbers left. We're raffling off several devices and raffles with 5 winners. So, as I said, the link will be in the description, and by clicking it, you'll automatically join. Alright, look, over here we have these bricks that we found here. Let's put the bricks there and start placing the fish so it can start thawing. Thank you. First, face down. We always prepare it like this so it seals properly. Once it's sealed for a few minutes, depending on the temperature, well, now it's very low, as you can see, so after about 5 minutes, we flip it over and let it cook slowly. A small sabalito, look, it must weigh about a kilo or so, but for convenience, we remove the head. Since the grill is small, it fits well there. Alright, just to change things up, here's a little piece of sabalo. But now it's slow because it brings a lot over here to the curve, and it's a beach area. You can tell by the vegetation you see there, but anyway, once we get the fish, we'll free ourselves and head over to that part that you see over there in the backwaters we showed you at the beginning, where we'll have some pools and an easier time. Looks like Santi has the first one of the day. There's quite a bit of wind, folks. Let's go. I'm not sure how much we caught, just one.
Moncholito, tripa.
Chicken gut, pretty big, Santi. Average size, ideal for frying. Santi just pulled it out of the Moncholito. I came to check my rod and I had a little friend like this. We're going to release it now, folks. It must have been there for quite a while. There it is. In the end, it didn't rain at all. We were hoping for it, but oh well. Now we're about to add a bit more charcoal to the sabalito and see if we can start eating. Later, we'll move around to find a better spot, but at least we've already caught something. It's not a big deal, but something is better than nothing. We're used to it.
Now.
Yes, look, we're at the curve. Here we have the calm waters. I made the first cast here, and over there Guido is coming. Look, he fell behind. Alright, let's make a few casts here. It's much deeper. I cast to the middle and see where it landed. Let's see if the catfish get active. What are you getting ready for, Guido?
Here,
A bait rig with a float to catch something big. There's no wind here, and it's deeper. Great spot. There's a bite here. We have another rod closer, and I just cast here, the blue one, farther away. Look how it runs. It's incredible. Check it out. Hopefully it stays like this in the river, right?
yeah, hopefully it does.
In the end, there was a little fish. Santi, right? Patí? We never catch Patí here. Well, look, another one. Here's the first one. Another nice Patí fish. Quite abundant. Good, Santi. Let's try to catch a few more and keep looking for them.
Now we
Activate fishing only since we've already eaten. Yes, I told Santi before we did anything, as soon as we arrived, I said let's look for firewood, let's make the fire quickly, that way we eat and then we can relax. Just to fish, because sometimes we try to do both simultaneously and well. Obviously you don't give that much importance to fishing itself. So, well, there,
I left my
off-rod there and now I'm going to cast it.
Santiago.
Come on, Guido, go for it, go for it. Get comfortable, as I'm unsure how he'll position you.
If you don't go down, if you can, that's better. Yes, yes, yes.
It could be a boga, see how it pulls. No, it's a good Moncholo.
There, it loosened up a bit. Can you see well? Does it look like Moncholo to me? Go ahead. Relax there, go ahead with it. The hand. Just if you want, yes, yes, yes. There it is, catch it, go on.
Don't lift it, grab it.
That's it, honey.
That's awesome. How long have we been waiting to catch this, man? It was huge, mate, I'm telling you. It was huge. Did you see what it did to my fishing rod?
To the catfish.
I also pulled it out there, maybe so deep among the rocks. I never saw the rod. Well, it's light. The rod itself is light, but I never saw it bend that much. Hey, coming to the backwater worked, huh? Well, I think it's curious that they bit right there, both of them next to the rock, right? Hey, beautiful. We already have 3 for the fry. Look at the small sinker, as using a larger one with the gear is ideal. Alright, let's keep going and see what else comes out. Who do you dedicate the Moncholo to? Well, honestly, I dedicate it to the people because they always keep supporting the videos, even when sometimes we didn't catch anything. And also, we weren't making a lot of videos, and they always asked, why aren't you uploading videos? What happened to you? They get worried, and
Nothing. I appreciate it.
I dedicate it to the people because of their interest and affection. It's not much, but it's something. Now that we have water, well, you can fish, but honestly, not long ago. The river was once uncrossable by foot, but now in some sections, you can walk halfway across it. And you will come to fish and not catch anything all day. So, the Patí is small, but nothing but... So, for frying, is the patin really good? I think I'm winning.
Alright, Guido.
At last, we had a decent catch. And we're gonna wrap up the video, so as always, thank you for joining us. We'll definitely be coming back in a few days, or we'll visit different places, take advantage of the water, and we'll share the fishing experience with you. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and being a part of this. Until next time.